Hello everyone and welcome to today's presentation of Laswell's Model of Communication. Laswell Model of Communication. This model developed by Harold Laswell in 1948 is a fundamental framework for understanding the communication process. In this presentation, we'll explore the key components of Laswell's model, discuss its significance, and provide practical examples. Laswell's model is often referred to as Who Says Who or WOM model. It identifies 5 essential elements of the communication process. Who, the communicator or a sender. Says what, the message being transmitted. In which channel, the medium or platform used to convey the message. The WOM, the receiver or audience. With what effect, the effect or outcome of the communication. Laswell's model highlights the importance of considering the context, audience, and medium when communicating. It emphasizes that effective communication is not just about conveying the information, but also about understanding the potential impact on the receiver. This model has been widely applied in various fields, including the marketing, public relations, and politics. It helps communicators to identify their target audience, craft messages that resonate their audience, choose the most effective medium for communication, anticipate and measure the impact of their message. Real-world example. Suppose a company wants to launch a new product, a sustainable water bottle. They want to communicate the benefits of this product to their target audience, the environmentally conscious customers. Using Maxwell's model, in which channels social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook to WOM environmentally conscious customers. With what effect? Increase brand awareness, website traffic, sales. By applying Maxwell's model, the company can create a targeted communication strategy that effectively reaches and engages their audience. In conclusion, in Maxwell's model, the communication provides valuable frameworks for understanding the communication process. By considering the 5 essential elements of this model, communicators can create effective messages that resonate their audience and achieve their desired outcome.